What's going on, everybody? I am your host, FTR Motivated here with another video. Now this will be called Unboxing Sundays, part number 3, and this will be with my little stand, or something else that's in this side of this box, and my light for future videos. Now, I purchased all this on Amazon, and Amazon is one of the best ways to get stuff than eBay, because they're much more faster and everything. So then, let's get to the video, but before we get that, please smash that like button. That means 10 likes on this video, and if you do, we'll become members of my channel, but don't know how, hit the subscribe button, tell the bell on. This is the notification shoutouts and occasion videos in the Sunday shoutout series. I won't be doing those for right now, but I will be doing some I show you. Also follow me now on Twitter, icon right there, just because I try to post daily, and I need my help and support I can get. So yeah, just be sure you do that, members. It'll be on my banner for the link, or down below in the description. So let's get right to it. Well, this is my light. My mini LED video light. I like it. It's gonna be very, very good. I really need to do that. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this is. This is UV size. I knew it! I knew it! It's a stand. Steve, stand. Also, this, another stand. Oh no, you can put up to 3 things on top actually. That's what it is. See? So that is my future setup on what I'm gonna be doing. Just give you guys an idea of what the heck. So yeah, ta-da! That's a little all set of a video right there. Okay, no, on that back. And on the lights. I mean, we all know what a light is, but just to see how big. This is box. Ooh. Yeah, it's just a regular light. Nothing too shabby. See? That's it. But as I know, his members, that is it. So be strong, be positive, be kind, live your dream, and see you in the next video.